Thank you for visiting my channel. Look what I got. Let's unbox a 12-volt relay. The relay came properly packed from Amazon. After looking at the box from all the directions, I don't see any damage. I'm using the box cutter that I recently purchased from Mr. DIY. That's one of the stores here in India. I have made a separate video of the unboxing of the box cutter. You can find the link in the description. The box cutter is cheap and it does the work, so I'm happy with it. A little bit more packaging inside the box. And here we have the product. Looking at it, it seems that the plastic bag is a little bit damaged, and I purchased this product from the future. It is from 1923, so relays are here to stay. Let's see if there is any damage on the relay itself. I see some damage. It is a 12-volt relay. Now I don't see any other damages apart from the pins. They seems to have been bent. No damage on the circuit board itself, but the pins, yep, all of them are bent. At the back of the circuit board, there is no damage. Oh, okay, and the pins on the other side of the board, they are also bent. Adjust the pins that are bent. I think it should work. I will be creating a separate video once I have the project ready. Till then, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.